The document view was introduced to our users in 2021 and has since changed the way they create deliverables for their projects. Its simple drag-and-drop user interface allows you to add a field inside a container on a document template. You can then customize its look and decide how information will be displayed for this field. You can now navigate through the different containers by clicking on the arrow at the top of the border. That will reveal the hierarchy of the containers and allow you to adjust them as needed. Changes will automatically be applied to all elements of the category. One of the key features of Document View is that you can export your reports in PDF and share them with a link or save them to a folder. In 2022, we added the ability to preview a single element as PDF in your browser without generating the full set of pages. From there, you can then download and save it so you can share it with your clients. As an extension of our Document View updates in 2022, you can now create default document styles at a company level. Those will help you generate your reports with a consistent look across different projects. You are able to customize every aspect of the styles, including text placement, font size and color for all of the document blocks. Create the right combination of styles you want to use for your deliverables, and then save those as part of your company's account. Now, for every project, when you start a new custom report using the document view, you can choose your customized styles to be applied. Select them under the default document style and start documenting your elements so you can share them as PDF with your clients. You can review the default styles available for your reports and choose the one you want to apply. When you drag and drop your elements information on the document, you can see the default styles applied automatically. Creating a report with a consistent look becomes a level easier as you navigate through the different fields of your elements. Now, every member of your company will be able to create reports using the default styles without worrying about style inconsistencies.